That kid still doesn't know the difference between the garbage disposal and the drain.
He's 11.
That's no excuse. If he can't tell which hole is which at his age, he's headed for big trouble down the road.
How about that?
Oh, God, I had the worst nightmares.
Pirate ships?
Full-service gas stations.
I failed to see the connection.
Old steel nozzles going into openings. Dipsticks being pulled out. Do I have to draw you a picture?
You know what? You need to get your mind off this colonoscopy.
Come on!